once again, this is Anna. All right, today I wanted to talk about traveling and working abroad in Sosua, Dominican Republic. Hola, hola, hola. ¿Cómo está? Me, muy bien, gracias. All right, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we're going to talk about the airplane ride. This is the first time we ever went first class. Just because I was nice to the airline lady, she bumped us up to first class. That was the first time we ever flew first class. And I'm talking about the food was amazing. I was able to get wine. I mean, it was amazing. They even catered to Shania for ice cream, making sure that she was comfortable when she went to sleep. The bed, it lays out, the chair lays out into a bed. It was amazing. It was an amazing experience. When we first got to Dominican Republic, we stayed at a resort. Now, usually, me and my daughter, we usually just stay in the culture. But at that particular time, I wasn't working. Yeah, I was vacationing. So we did stay at a resort and it was very nice. I forgot the name of it though. But here are some pictures. After some days that we was there, we was enjoying ourselves so much that we decided to stay a little longer. So we decided to get a hotel. And I hope you enjoyed the view. This is the view from the hotel window. It's very, very nice. Once we got to Sosua, I went in for an interview, and that's when we got our first apartment there. I got the job, and these apartments are right behind the school that I was working at and the school that my daughter was attending. So I hope you enjoy. I mean, these apartments are very nice. We was living in the culture because most of the teachers was living there, but there were a lot of the actual native speakers. They was there as well. So this house was already made up, like with beds and dressers and things like that. The kitchen was all made. It was everything. And we also drove a golf cart. I rented a golf cart, and that was an experience. Believe me, that was an experience to learn how to ride and drive and things like that. Also near there, there is a little store, and they have lots of bars because bars on the windows, so there would be no break-ins and things like that. I had met some friends. One lady was her name was Marsha, and she was from Russia, and then my other friend, she was born in Dominican Republic. So we became good friends, and it was amazing. Okay, while we were there, we were able to sightsee a little bit. My friends were able to take us around to see different places and throughout the city. We not only went to Sosua, but we also went to, I forgot the name of the city, but Santiago. We went there, and we went to Ramana, and I forgot the other cities that we went to, but we was able to go to different ones so we could see different places and things. So I just got a few of those pictures for you to see. All right, the Dominican Republic is known for their beautiful beaches and also a great sunset. So I got you some pictures where you can see us in the daytime, but also you can see the beautiful sunset and how it looks a little bit going towards the night side. It's very wonderful. The water is always warm, and it's just a sight to see. Okay, about the parks. The parks are really simple in Dominican Republic. It's not as made up as it would be in America, but the children have fun, and that's all that counts is that the children will have fun, and you can get out and kind of linger around. You have things to see. It's near the beach. You know, you can sit around, you can talk with friends, you can drink a little something, you can watch the children play, you can exercise. I mean, it's a lot of things you could do right there at the park. While we were there, they had this festival in the center of the city, and it was live music. The symphony is kind of like someone was playing the violin, and some people were singing and things like that. They also have an outdoor museum, so you have like arts and things that you can do and see and buy as well. Because I didn't take a picture of this, but they also had a tent, and it had like food. Like people were serving food, they were selling the food. It was amazing. I saw a few of my students out there as well and their families. So it was really good. The whole town just comes out to see it. So Sosua is very small. It's not a really big city like Santo Domingo. So Sosua, when you know someone, you just know everybody. Everybody know you, you know them. It's just amazing, and everybody there is welcoming. You don't have to worry about people staring at you, acting crazy towards you, or anything like that. It's very welcoming. Since we are talking about food, some food are cooked from the restaurants and from cafeterias, and then some are picked from trees. But the food is a little fattening, but it's so delicious. I gained so much weight when I was in Sosua. It was ridiculous. But the food is so good. It may not look the way you want it to look, but if you taste it, it's just like amazing, melt in your mouth kind of thing. So I gained so much weight when I was there. Okay, now I would like to talk about my classroom and my class. Okay, so at that particular school, it's called Garden Kids International School. And at that particular school, I was a third grade homeroom teacher. Okay, so I taught all the subjects for my class. I taught English, math, social studies, science, and we didn't have an art teacher, so I even taught a little art. Can you believe that? All right, so we're gonna start with my classroom before and after. So these are some pictures of my classroom before and after. Um, Also, after school, we have to sponsor like a little class or something for the community. So I did the community after school program for ESL. So I taught some little ones English, and that was fun. So here are the pictures for that.
Come on there, Camila. My name is very good. What's your name? My name is. All right. H A Y. I.
have incentives. So if my class do a really good job through the week or something like that, or maybe 2 weeks, and they earn like like points, and then enough points is added, and we'll have a pajama day. So we did pajama day, and the kids really enjoyed that, along with games like Twister. We had a wonderful, wonderful time. Also, we do have my door is always open to my parents. So one day a grandparent came in, and she decided that she would volunteer to do story time with the children, and that was amazing. I really, really enjoyed that. So this is some pictures of that. Also, here are a few pictures of my actual class. Aren't they sweet and cute? No, they're not. Don't let them fool you. They will get you. But they are all mine. And I really enjoyed this class. And they were so intelligent. And for them to learn English so fast and so, fluently, it was amazing. It was really amazing teaching them. They were so talented and so smart. And it was just a wonderful experience being there with them. We went on a field trip, but I only got two pictures because I was having so much fun that I forgot to take pictures of anything. I was having just that much fun. So, just these two pictures. Every year, the school puts on this great, great big performance for the community. And we take it, I mean, seriously. We practice doing class and things like that. I mean, this is a production that you have to see. It's really, really nice. So my class did a song by Major Laser, I think his name is, and my daughter did Bruno Mars. Her class did Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk, but it was really amazing. It really was.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew.
Cavalo,
You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you.
Just Prince.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chakra. I started going crazy. Like back and by you, oh. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be at ATM. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can full up place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir. My you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole, da-da-da. My you bad, da-da-da. Funky. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole, da-da-da. Troublemaker.
dia a dia é nós a fera. Se brotar o bagulho é doido. Tá tudo monitorado, só os cria cabuloso. Bandido, bandido.
And videos is of the actual show, like some of the performances in the actual show. I couldn't get all the footage because I was in the back helping my students with their makeup and getting them dressed and